Welcome back. Welcome back. I do love you.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Fat Boys World in the official first video of 2019. So I am here with my special guest, Danielle. What's up? How y'all doing? Speak to Danielle, everybody. And today we are going to be doing the quickest to turn up to Ratchet music challenge. Quickest to turn up to Ratchet music challenge. That's a lot to say. So basically what we're going to be doing is passing the phone back and forth and playing a Ratchet song. Whoever dances to the most Ratchet songs the most is the most Ratchet. One of us is the most Ratchet and it ain't me, guys. It ain't me. I promise you it ain't me.
It might be me. It might be just a little bit me, but I think it's mostly you.
Probably not. Always remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos, guys. Fat Boy is back in town. It's lit. I'm doing it. Remember that always. Don't ever forget it. Okay? It is what it is. Yeah. So if you're ready for us to get ratchet, then let's go to the video. So guys, I'm gonna pick the first song, and mind you, she don't know the song that I'm picking.
That's one, and he doesn't know the songs I'm picking.
So we're gonna test out the waters, okay? You cannot say nothing. Girl, you lost!
I was pretending I was in a car. I was making a turn. I did not move. That is my song.
I won that round, okay? So, here you go.
Nigga, shit! Sorry, remember that part?
See, that beat ain't even dropped yet. Okay. 5, 6, 7, yeah. You lost, girl. Why you said moving?
You set me up. Like, why would you do that? I was supposed to set you up.
Yeah, you lost.
Yeah.
I did that to myself.
Yeah. So mind you, we snap on our own songs.
Right. That seems to be the plan here.
You know, young rich niggas.
This is really good because I hate this song.
You know, so we ain't really never had no own money. Hey! Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot.
That includes toes too.
Shit, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga.
Woo! Oh, set! Woo! 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 That would have been lit, but I didn't do it. I didn't do it though.
My bitches all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick and some all hills. You cheated.
I didn't cheat.
You cheated. I said no cart.
Car with all grills. Heat in the car, that's wheels on wheels. Woo! I was born to flex. Yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like more than jets. I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than check. All a bad bitch needs. I got pants in the coop.
Girl, you tried so hard.
So my sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than check.
Good job.
Thank you.
We ain't as ratchet as we think. Listen. So right now the score is 2-1.
Yes.
She's the most ratchet as of right now, and we're on the what? 5th song?
I mean, but you know what? You got pretty turned up on your song. That's a double point. I mean,
No. That can be bug. That's always a hood classic. Period. He left you. I ain't more the checks. I get more the sex. I'm the really best. I got more the checks. You know, I'm the sure that I like more the checks. Money.
Are you ready? You're gonna see today.
This is so hard.
Go ahead,
Go ahead, Sue.
no, you go ahead.
What you want, Sue?
Yeah.
Go ahead. It's your turn. I'm not. Oh, that was hard.
I see.
That was hard.
I'm gonna get you though.
Where's my
I'm gonna
turn?
get you real good.
You ain't gonna get me.
I'm gonna get you.
You ain't gonna
That's
get
all right.
me.
You getting warm. I don't even like the city girls. Cause I ain't got food out yet.
You ain't got.
They movement ain't working. I ain't with it. Shoot.
You ain't did what?
Shoot, I ain't got food out yet.
We ain't got food out yet. We both ain't got no point.
Right. You bogus for that. And then you gonna do a double Cardi? That's bogus.
Move me, baby. Think me, baby.
Alright, don't worry. I got you.
Okay, let's see.
Really, nigga?
No.
Who doesn't turn up to this song? Okay,
No. You keep playing. This is your song choice. This is your song choice.
That's okay.
No,
We
you-
already know. It's not gonna happen.
It's not. Because clearly she thought she had one. Baby,
really don't.
This ain't 2007.
It is so cold. Like, I can feel the wind on my toes right now.
Oh my God. We could. We gonna dedicate songs to the cold and see who sing first. We gonna throw that in there. It's a good little break from being ratchet. You know what I'm saying?
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A swirling storm inside, couldn't keep it in. Heaven knows I tried. Let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. I don't care what they're going to say. Cold never bothered me anyway.
I think we both lost. It's okay though.
Well, give me my song. My song here.
I think we both lost that one.
No.
Yeah, that was a little deep.
You ready for it? first break then, because that song had nothing to do with the code.
It didn't. We still lost. Bonus round over. We both gained 2 points. Bonus round is over. We both gained 2 points.
Yeah. The dash is busy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my snowing in tussies. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the shit going by the same.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I know.
Okay, I lost.
I'm ashamed. I'm a little ashamed.
Just a little bit, you know.
We deserve to be Ratchet, okay? There's a government shutdown. I can't get my link. Period.
You can get a biggie Chanel like in the store if you want it. I gave him the drill, they set it up, I got him. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown off this way.
That was hard.
It was.
This was a hard one. Okay.
And it's Friday.
Right.
What the fuck was that?
You don't know nothing. Like, nothing.
I know this, but it ain't.
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
Y'all said me, why you trapping so?
Alright, cool. I quit. Like, I quit. He's not budget.
Cause.
At all. Like, I be in my car. T off the straight 21 Future.
I know that, yeah. But you ain't gonna get me.
Young nigga get paid. Get paid, young
You're
nigga
cheating.
get paid.
You're dancing on yourself.
Whatever you do, just make sure you get paid.
Ooh! I lost that point. That was my song. We're tied, okay?
Let him get himself. They locked.
They still locked. I'm like,
You scared to drop your head down. I got you.
you did because I didn't move. I did this. I did not do that. She is lying. She is lying.
Show me your mama made a hoe.
She's out, I win. She's out, I win.
How do you win? You win. It's okay.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I
You on the
didn't.
first beat.
No, I did not. I won.
Yeah.
I won.
Whatever.
I won.
Whatever. It is what it is.
It is what it is. Listen.
You know, I should have came a little bit more prepared with the song.
You
choices.
probably
Off the dome.
you probably should have.
You know, it's okay.
It's okay though.
You be scheming and plotting. It's your show. Plot. You the writer.
Okay, so that concludes the quick to get ratchet challenge. I said it right.
Yeah.
Quick to get ratchet challenge. One more time. Quick.
You
Wait, okay. Oh, no, what? No, I was quick to get ratchet. We have to stop this groove. We have to stop this groove, girl. Oh, we have to stop the groove. Oh, wait. What's up to my meal tickets and welcome to Fat Boy's World Review. Listen, due to technical difficulties, my camera deleted the rest of the video after this. Right? So now I have to hit you guys with this review. And as you can see, I obliterated Danielle in this challenge, so give it up to your one and true winner, me. So it's about that time that we get into my favorite segment of the video, which is Song of the Week. Yes, Song of the Week. That's where me and my co-hosts give you songs that you should listen to throughout the week. Listen, y'all know we got the tunes, we got the jams, so go ahead and bump this in your car all week, period. So Danielle kicked off Song of the Week with Summer Walker's Girls Need Love. Listen, this song is a bop, bop, boppity bop. Listen, every girl I know is playing this song everywhere because you know what? Girls need love too. So if you feel the same way, go check it out. Now for my Song of the Week, it was a bit of a struggle, but I went on ahead and gave it to my girl Summerella with her new song, Do You Miss It? Y'all know I love when people sample old 90s R&B and put it into their music, and that's exactly what she did. Listen, this is a bop all the way through, and you know if I'm lying, I'm mad. So go ahead and check this out too, period. So go check out these songs right now. Well, I am so sad to say that we have come to the end of this video, guys. But listen, if you want to see more of me, always remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Listen, it don't take much to let everybody know that there's a new fat boy in town and I'm lit and I'm doing it, okay? Go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it and show everybody who I am, okay? Listen, I'll be waiting for you. And also, turn on your notification bell. And as always, never put an outro in your video, okay? It really doesn't make sense, right? Bye.